Archero 2 Tips and Tricks 2025. So, here are the best tips and tricks for Archero 2 in this year, backed by guides and community wisdom. So, anyways, characters do matter, and players report top tier picks like Oda for crit heavy play or Dracula for lifesteal builds, but it's pretty much hard to get if you're just starting off the game. So if you're going ahead to try out the game and you're still new, then the character that you currently have is still quite fine. But anyways, you can define a build path early. So focus on either range archer build, distance plus DPS, or a circle or build, high mobility and circle range. So once that's done, you can do a smart type progression and grind. So push first few stages up to stage 45 to unlock most of the features. So once you unlock these features, you should be able to upgrade yourself to become somewhat bit stronger, unless you're just going ahead to play straight without upgrading yourself, then that is a bit of a downfall for you. So you can use auto hunt and quick hand passes to farm gold, gear, and experience even when away. There's also the item and stat prioritization. So prioritizing upgrading weapons, amulet, ring slots, they offer higher DPS bonus than armor, helm, or boots, and save Miston keys for chest rotations of strong sets like the Oracle, Dragon, or Griffin, rotating every 3 days. Should also put in mind to not merge your S tier items too early in game, upgrade safely to epic first, and merge higher only when needed. Also for the talent cards and advanced builds, fully upgrade talent cards, they stack expensive bonuses but are critical for long-term DPS scaling. Use advanced fuse to quickly combine gear to specific items, handy for targeting upgrades. So the tactical in-battle play, specifically when you are playing the main story, can enable skip animations, effect reduction, and hide joystick to streamline gameplay and improve dodging. So dodge smart as well, grind enemies and master using projectile patterns and optimize runes and circle patterns. E.g. tracking eye works best, kiting in circles. And finally, for your resource management. So save up gems for gem value events. Often you get gems back with bonus rewards, hoard keys and coupons until event windows offer extra value, and invest in perk cards like add free daily gem bonus and auto hunt passes for long-term efficiency, especially if you're just a free-to-play players. But those are some pretty basic level and beginner level tips and tricks to help you get started with Archero 2. So if this video can help you, and hopefully it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.